Welcome back to the channel. Today I just finished my 10th pattern for the Anne Fitzpatrick doll. In this quick sewing tutorial, I'll walk you through the construction steps for the beret hat. If you're interested in seeing the dress construction from the Burst My Bubble pattern, I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started.
It just includes 2 pieces. You're going to want to grab the fabric of your choice as well as some single-sided fusible interfacing. You're going to place your interfacing on your fabric with this adhesive side down and give it a quick iron before you cut your pieces out. With our 2 pieces cut out, the first step for sewing is to grab the beret band pieces, place them right sides together, and sew the center back seam. Next, we'll press those center back seams open. We'll place the brim sections right sides together, matching that center back seam, and sew around the inside circle edge. We'll clip in towards that seam allowance, trim the seam allowance down, and then turn the brims right side out and press that inside circle. Once you have the brim piece pressed really well, you have the option to go ahead and run a baste or a stay stitch around the raw edge of the brim just to make it a little bit easier to work with. Next, you place the brims to the hat top with right sides together and pin all the way around the circle. We'll get those 2 pieces sewn together. With the 2 pieces sewn together, you want to check both sides to make sure that you didn't create any unnecessary tucks or puckers. You can run a zigzag stitch along the raw edge of the hat just to make sure that it doesn't fray and to finish it a little bit nicer, or you can actually just take some pinking shears and pinking shear that raw edge. With our beret constructed, we're going to turn the hat right side out. We're going to get a good press along that seam allowance, get the hat placed on the doll with her new dress, and get some final photographs.
As you can see from the photographs, our beret looks absolutely perfect, topping off the Burst My Bubble pattern. If you're interested in seeing some of the other designs and patterns that are available for Anne, please stay tuned till the end of the video and I'll share some of those photographs with you. I had a wonderful conversation with Rachel Hoffman from the Virtual Doll Convention today, and we've decided to do a collaboration for Anne's Clubhouse. I've just finished putting the final touches on Anne's very first pattern for her subscription box. If you missed the opportunity to register for Anne's subscription, there's still time to put your name on the waiting list, and I'll leave a link in the description below. If you're not able to receive one of the physical boxes, there's still an opportunity to participate through the digital subscription. The digital subscription for Anne's Clubhouse will include all the beautiful printables and illustrations, as well as a pattern of the month. As always, I thank you guys for your time and for watching. If you have any questions about the construction of the beret hat from the Burst My Bubble pattern, please list it in the comment section below. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.